Hello Click Designers! In this video, I'm going to show you an updated tutorial on how you can integrate or connect your Groove Designer Pro or ClickDesigns account with your Groove.cm account. The first thing that you need to do is to have an active ClickDesigns or Groove Designer Pro account. And then second, you need to have an active Groove.cm account. Now I've logged in my ClickDesigns dashboard, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my profile, and then here I'm going to click on settings. And then right after I go to settings, I need to click on the API key tab. Once I click that, an API key will appear. All I need to do is copy this API key. Then I will launch a new tab and log into my Groove.cm account. Right after that, I'm going to click on my profile, and then here I'm going to click on settings and billing. Then I'm going to click integrations. Then I'm going to click on the plus icon here. If you have a ClickDesigns account, click ClickDesigns. If you have a Groove Designer Pro account, click Groove Designer Pro. Now that I have a ClickDesigns account, I'm going to click that. And then here I'm going to write the description. So just Diane's ClickDesigns account. And then here under API key, all you have to do is just paste the API key that you have copied from your ClickDesigns account earlier. Now that we have successfully integrated our ClickDesigns with our Groove.cm account, we can use all the designs that we've created from ClickDesigns into all our Groove.cm projects. So for example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this and I'm going to Groove Pages or Groove Funnels. And then right after that, I'm going to manage this site that I've created. And then on the right side, we have a mockup. And then I'm going to click on this gear icon right here. And under that, we can choose an image. So I'm going to click on choose. And then here, we can choose from our image library. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on ClickDesigns. And these are all the designs that I've created. So as you can see, I'll go back to my designs. These are all the designs that I've created here. They're now reflecting and now shown here into my Groove account. So easily, you can just select any creative that you would like. Let's click that. And then right after that, let's click on that one and then click on select and click on update and close. And now my new mockup is here on my funnel on Groove.cm. You can apply and use all your ClickDesigns graphics for your email templates, membership sites, your blogs, your landing pages, and everything else that you can use using the Groove.cm platform. Thanks and happy click designing!